Alright, I'm going to show you guys something super funny about these MS460s and 660s, and I see people doing this all the time. They cut all this crap out, they drill a bigger hole, they tap it, they put another spark plug in it, whatever. I mean, if that's what you want to do, do it. But if your spark plug can't burn all the fuel in the chamber when it goes off, we got some serious issues. I mean, the whole reason they dual spark plugged engines back in the day was one to start it and then another one to run it. So I don't know why people even do it, but if you're going to go through all the trouble of it, and some people were wondering how you leave this and all that, I'm going to show you right now. What they'll do is they'll take a miniature plug, which is, this is a BP MR7A, okay? And the MR means basically it's just half the height of a normal one. BP is its, you know, the size and all that good stuff. And then 7's the heat range, okay? So you technically want an 8. So you would want a BP MR8A. And you'd put that in your normal hole, okay? Now, when you get to this side, you got a smaller hole, smaller, area, and the plug doesn't fit in there. So that's why people go through all this dramatic stuff cutting it. You don't have to. That is a C-sized hole that a spark plug fits in. So you would get another miniature plug. You get a C size, CMR. This is a 5H. You actually want a CMR 8H or a CMR 9H, either one. I would say 8 or 9 in these when you're double plugging them, just to be safe. So these screw right in. And that is how people are double plugging them without doing it. You just gotta make sure you get the same heat range. I would use number 8s or 9s when you're doubling them like this, because you use like a 7, it might run away. And then what it is their cap goes over and the cap goes over, and you don't even notice they're different sized. But that is how people are doing it. And when you're looking at it, you can't tell the damn difference. As soon as the spark plug wire goes on, you have no idea they're any different. Alright? So that's how it is. I just think it's funny, all the people that drill them out and stuff to put 2 spark plugs in. And I just think the whole double spark plug thing's ridiculous to start with. That's my own 2 cents, but anyways, I thought I'd share this so you guys know. And peace out.